Hey cuties, happy Vlogtober. I'm so excited to spend the month with y'all. We're talking cozy vibes, boutique life, and all the fall fun all October long. Let's get into day one. I just unboxed a few new hair claw clips for the mystery Halloween boxes. They are so cute. I also restocked a few of the coffins, and I already had the ghosts, but I got a few more of these as well. So I'm just gonna add all of these to my hair accessories box. I don't remember if I showed you guys this star hair claw clip. This is going to be available in our Christmas mystery box, along with this cute red and white pearlescent bow. I also have this big box here. I have a box cutter. I don't know why I don't just use the box cutter instead of using my good knife. Instead of using my good scissors. This should be my box of football purses. I restocked a few colors they've already sold. I've restocked the gold football purse. I also got this chocolate brown one, and they all have gold hardware. And then I got two more of the black ones. I only ordered one of this color. Is the clear football bag. It's fully clear. It's a clutch style, but it still also comes with a crossbody string. I love that y'all absolutely love these football bags, so I'm going to be restocking the colors red, pink, and probably green and purple. I'm going to restock those colors. That'll be the next set that I order. I don't like to order too many at a time because I don't like to have too much inventory sitting around, but these I can order if they have them in stock. I can order them and get them in like 3 days. My football bags were one of my top sellers in the month of August. I have these 3 orders that I need to pack and ship off today. This is a brown football purse, a gold football purse, and a black one. I have them all ready to be packed up. Just need to print the shipping labels and they're good to go. Sometimes I forget that I'm filming a vlog. It's a whole new week. I'm sorry. I'm currently at the Airbnb. I got the laundry going. The guests checked out yesterday. I started a load last night, and then I came in this morning and getting it going again. They didn't do bad at all. It's not a whole lot to do. I'm just gonna sweep up and just wait until all the laundry is done. Let me show you guys. I put some powder down on the carpet, so that's what all the white stuff will be on the ground. Let me just show y'all a little bit of what I've been doing so far. This room, I've already stripped the bed. I have that load in the dryer. These blankets have been washed already. I've sanitized those pillows, so they're all sitting over there waiting. So when the sheets come out the dryer, I can just put them on the bed to prevent wrinkling. And then I can put the whole bed back together. In this room will just need to be vacuumed, and it's done. I'm gonna wipe the remotes and the side tables down. The top of this dresser, the room will be 100% complete, where we'll only have to worry about 2 other rooms. This is the kitchen. That's my trash bag. I just restocked the paper towels and I put another roll down low. I'll probably go get another roll and put that down there so there's at least 2 extra. Dishwasher, there's no dishes. Sink, there's no dishes. I need to wipe the counters down because I just finished wiping the microwave out. I need to wipe the counters down and then restock the snack basket because they did use quite a bit of the items. They did take quite a bit of the items, which I love that. That means I get to restock and do some more seasonal themed items. And also start decorating for fall. I have a few things in my office that I'm gonna bring here. Let me go see if I can find our fall flowers from last year. There's a lot of stuff down here. We're in the downstairs garage, which is also where my car is. My favorite car is down here. She's a little dirty and she has a flat tire, which is the only reason why she's in here. She has some storage on her. This is my pink car. I don't know if I've ever shown this on my channel, maybe once or twice, but this is my, I believe it's a 93. I haven't driven it in like 2 months. I believe it's a 1993 with a 1991 motor in it. It's a Mazda Miata. The pink is how I bought her. I started sanding her down, so she was all pink. This is my top. I had this from my last Miata. I'll pop up a picture here. She was this pink color, but it started fading, like how it looks right there. So we started sanding the whole car down, and we just haven't gotten back to sanding the rest of it down. I found a couple of the items. We have this super cute pumpkin and this door wreath, which will replace our summertime wreath that's out there. These flowers also have a replacement somewhere. I just have to find them. We'll find something else. We'll figure something out with that. But I'm going to start gathering my fall decor and setting it aside so that I can do a full decorate the Airbnb with me for fall video for you guys during Vlogtober. I'm gonna put my YouTube video back on and sweep and then vacuum. Good morning, y'all, and welcome to the vlog. We're gonna do a little bit of fall shopping, so let's go see what we can find. We're gonna go to Hobby Lobby, Five Below, Burlington, and probably TJ Maxx. I do also want to stop at the Dollar Tree or a couple Dollar Trees. It's currently 9:37. Let's see what we can go find. I'm looking for things for my desk, things for the Airbnb, so that we can start decorating some more for that. Let's go. I will see you guys at the first store, which will probably be Hobby Lobby, so I can go ahead and go there and get that out the way because that place be packed in the morning time. So let's go. Back in the office, I picked up a few things and my head started hurting, so I stopped to get me something to eat from Sonic, and I'm going to go ahead and eat, and then I'm gonna pack my orders that I need to pack. Well, I have one order that I need to pack. Then I'm gonna check my emails. I need to go get my camera out the car, but before I do that, I'm going to show you guys the couple of things that I got from Hobby Lobby and from Five Below. So I went in Hobby Lobby not really with a plan, but there was one thing that I wanted to try to get, and it was some decoration for this planter that we have at the Airbnb. I got all of these little pieces, and I'm going to make my own like bouquet. This one was $1.50. because all of their Christmas stuff is 50% off. These were $1.25 a piece. No, these were $1.50 a piece, and I got 2 of them. This was 74 cents, and this was $2.99. So I think that's pretty affordable for a little decoration piece. So I think this is how I'm going to put it in the basket. I don't know, you guys will see when we go and decorate the Airbnb. I will definitely do this in this video, so stay to the end. This is our fall/spooky season preparation video. And from Five Below, I picked up some leg warmers. I got them in this nice cream white color, and I also got them in black. So I can't wait to rock these. I've been wanting to buy some, and these are pretty reasonable. They are nice and soft, and they feel nice and fluffy, so I can't wait to style these with some of my leggings and my skirts this fall. Then I picked up this gold chain for my dog, Shadow. He looks so gangster when he has jewelry on, so I picked him up a gold chain. I'll insert some clips here of him wearing it. This was $5 also. So I've gathered all of the things that I think I'm going to put out for now. I do have a guest checking in tomorrow, so I'm just going to do a little bit now, and then after they check out, I'll come and do some more if I find some more things. But let me give you a haul of everything that I have so far. Some of this is new, some of this is from last year. These pumpkins, these wicker pumpkins, straw pumpkins, my mother just got from the discount store a couple days ago. They will do just fine. This just needs to be glued back together, but otherwise it is still a really cute decoration piece. So let's find somewhere. Let's put it in here in the laundry room. Currently I have up here this candle that I'm just gonna put down in the garage, and these cups, which I'm going to move into there. This little ducky can come down as well. All of this stuff is what I'm taking down from there, and I'm going to replace it with this really cute pumpkin and turn the bad side to the back until we fix it. That is so cute up there. So cute. Now I'm going to take all of this stuff and drop it down off in the basement. I do also have a few brown pillowcases that I'd like to throw into the rotation somewhere. So I'll leave those out for when I come in tomorrow probably. Or I might do that before I leave today. This is literally all that was in there, was some greenery and then one flower. But I'm going to replace it with this greenery here. I'm going to put this flower here. Okay, I think I'm going to leave it like this for now, and I'm gonna put it back up here on the fireplace. We also picked up a hammock to go outside, so we'll probably put that up. I don't know if we'll do it for this guest that's coming, but we'll see what we can do, because I will need help putting that up. In the meantime, I'm just gonna take that downstairs also, along with these brown towels. I'm gonna go drop them down there real quick. Now I need to find somewhere to put this pumpkin, which there aren't many places. I'm gonna put this pumpkin right here next to, I think that's cute, right? I'm liking it so far. I do want to get some greenery to put across the back. That'll be later on. I do want to turn the air on so that it can start cooling off since we have a guest checking in tomorrow. I put it on 73, 72 for now. I'm going to put this pumpkin here on the table. And the last thing I'm going to put up today is this wreath. I'm going to replace the one on the front door with this fall one. And like the rest of the things, this is going to go down in the basement too. So far, the guests have seemed to have loved this. I put it out about 5 rentals ago, and they've used a nice bit of it. I'm not going to refill it just yet. I'm going to wait for it to get a little bit lower and then I'll refill it. I also added the Torani brown sugar cinnamon. That was used just a little bit. I grabbed this bag of M&M's minis that I'm going to add to the snack basket. I need to stop at the dollar store in the morning and grab some more items. Like, I want to grab some more of these little cheesy crackers. People seem to like the little cheesy crackers a lot. That might be all I add for now. I have a fruit. I have a breakfast item. I have chocolate. The Go-Go Squeeze fruit pouch. I have some fruit strips. I have a load of different kinds of chocolates in here and a variety of the Jack Links. I have original, and then there's also teriyaki back here. And then I have the ones with the cheese on it. I'm going to run to the Dollar General real quick and see if they have anything that I can grab before the guests check in for fall decorations and stuff. And I need to grab a couple of snacks, so let's go. Run fast from a day job, running fast from the way it was. Jump quick to a paycheck, running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I've been enough of petty dudes. I've had enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, better today than cash today. Ooh, I just take it day by day. At the Airbnb, so let me give you a little haul of everything that I just got from the Dollar General. I picked up some Frito scoops. If you know, you know. These are so good, especially when you're using it with mild cheddar cheese dip. These two right here will get you right every time. Then I also got this cute basket, this little basket. I'm taking this with me to the office. I think I want to do like little Halloween gift baskets. So I'm going to think of some ideas of what I can put in here. I think I'm going to put a Halloween mug in here, a hair claw, and we'll see when we get to that. I also got a 6-pack of Cheez-Its for me to put in the snack box. And I also picked up a 16-pack of the Rice Krispie Treats with rainbow, chocolate, and the original flavor. These are for the snack baskets as well. I think I'm going to take a couple of these with me, though, because I love Rice Krispie Treats. That's all I got from the Dollar General. It's not really fall themed, but since we're here at the Airbnb in this video, I might as well restock the snack basket. I just needed to fill in a little space, so let's put these couple of items in the basket together. I couldn't remember if I showed you guys, but I added these organic apple, cinnamon, and spinach stick bars for toddlers. I think it'll be a nice, cute little fall edition for the little ones to enjoy. I have to work on what other fall type of foods I want to add in here. If you have any suggestions, drop them in the comment. Drop your favorite individually wrapped fall snacks. Of course, it is not a video without me giving y'all a little outfit of the day. This is what I wore on the last day that I decorated the Airbnb. The sweater and the shorts are both available on my website, shopdaisy.com. And I will catch you guys on the next episode of my Vlogtober series.